Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so you know when I post a new video. Today I will be attempting a wash and go using gel. If you're interested in how I achieve, then please keep watching. I am starting off with freshly washed hair. My hair is already pretty much divided and detangled. I am going to start with using the Camille Rose Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard, and I'm going to use that as my leave-in. To cleanse my hair, I use the African Black Soap Dandruff Control Shampoo and Conditioner by Shea Moisture. Y'all, when I tell you that the tangling process was so easy, I've never been able to just run my fingers through. So it might be something that I continue buying. We'll see. So I'm going to start off by using a section of hair in the back, and I'm going to spritz some more water on my hair just because I get better results when my hair is soaking wet. I'm going to use the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. So and it smells really good. I don't really do wash and goes like that because I don't like the little shrinky look I get afterwards. But when I do a wash and go, I use the Curl Enhancing Smoothing Cream. So this is my first time using a gel, and it's my first time using this gel. If you can see, the curls are really defined. So I'm liking the results. We'll see if it comes out elongating or not. But I'm just going to go ahead and redo this process. I'm going to take another section of hair. I am going to spritz it with some water. And I'm going to apply a generous amount of the Aunt Jackie's curling gel. And I'm just going to begin raking the gel through my hair to define those curls. If you notice, after I do the raking method, I just take little strands of my hair and smooth it out, and that's just to define the curls even more. So we are almost done with the back part of my hair, and we're just going to continue on with the same process. Right now, I am just going in and smoothing out strands of my hair to define the curls a little more. As you can see, one side of my hair already shrunk. So I am really liking the results so far. I think one day I'm going to do half of my hair using the gel and then half of the hair using the cream, just so I can see if the results come out differently between the two. So my hair is 100% dry. I am going to go in and use my trusty old almond oil and just distribute that through my hair to take off the gel casting. It did shrink. I mean, we're going to have shrinkage, but I don't think it shrunk as much as when I used the cream. So again, I do want to do a side by side just to see the difference in results between the gel and the cream. So I went ahead and banded my hair in 4 different sections using ponytail holders. I did this to elongate the curls a little more, so we'll see once I take this all out if it made a difference or not. So this is my hair after I take out the ponytail holders. I just shake it out. I spritz some water on there just to give it some life. And to also make it a little more manageable. And I also go in and distribute that almond oil throughout my hair. As you can see, using the banding method, it actually changed my curl pattern a little bit. It doesn't look as tight and coily. But yeah, just go in and I'm gonna use my pick to fluff out my hair. I also don't see a big difference with the banding in terms of length, but I do notice it looks fuller, which I do like. You guys already know what's coming up next. Yep, you guessed it. It is time for those edges. So I am just going back in using the Aunt Jackie's curling gel just to clean up the front. And I will be bringing out my toothbrush very soon just to get those swoops, those baby hairs going in the front. And yeah, this is pretty much the ending result. And I actually like the results I received using this gel. So it's not new. It's just new to me. But I would definitely recommend giving this gel a try. You know, everything's different on everyone's hair. But yeah, guys, if you liked what you saw today, please give me a big thumbs up. Well, just a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.